Instead of seeking luxury, today's house offers a rustic, simple experience deeply connected to the surrounding environment. Weekend Getaway Home sits on agricultural land and belongs to a family who turned it into a destination for extended stays. At first glance, it may seem like just a countryside retreat, but this refuge on the outskirts of Pune, India, is a true immersion in nature, where architecture and landscape blend almost seamlessly. Using basic materials like stone and bamboo, the idea was to avoid any sense of being in a concrete jungle. Even the plastered walls were intentionally left with uneven textures and patterns to make the experience feel more complete. The sloped terrain, with views of a nearby river, allowed for a layout full of subtleties. The main house sits on the highest point, while the pool, deck, and man-made lake are distributed across different levels, creating an organic and surprising composition. A blue door invites you inside, leading to a small foyer, and then to an open courtyard with a floating concrete staircase, native vegetation, and a water feature that cools and quiets the space. Right upon arrival, the shift from the urban to the rural landscape already hints at the house purpose. The facade is defined by simplicity and texture. White plastered walls, bamboo screens, and stone elements create a warm and informal atmosphere. Every detail in this house reinforces the intent to create a more essential experience, where comfort doesn't rely on excess. The use of materials like stone, bamboo, and the reshaped terrain with new artificial contours shows that the architecture here doesn't try to dominate. It serves as a bridge between people and nature. In the bedrooms, minimalism prevails. The beds are built in masonry platforms finished with plaster, with the mattress placed directly on top. All the rooms are arranged around the central courtyard. A dense green strip next to the living room extends into the dining area. The sense of continuity between indoor and outdoor spaces is constant. Large windows frame the views, and the deck, overlooking the lake and farmland, becomes the ideal place to enjoy the sunrise and sunset. Even in a rustic setting, the furniture adds a contemporary touch. Simple lined sofas and tables contrast with the natural surroundings. This is not just a place to live, but a place to slow down. A house that respects its context, listens to the land, and allows life to unfold at its most natural pace. A gentle conversation between nature, architecture, and the people who inhabit it.